Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the brand new Vivo V30 5G smartphone. And let me tell you, this thing, it is an absolute beast and is totally going to shake up the game when it comes to mobile photography and design. Now, we have to start by talking about that gorgeous 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display that Vivo calls their 1.5K ultra clear sunlight display. Sure, it's a large screen, but that's perfect for viewing content, and thanks to those curved edges, it is so incredibly comfortable to use one-handed and so ergonomic. There's going to be no more struggles with those ultra huge, unwieldy large phones. And talking about that display, it can actually hit an insane 2,800 nits of peak brightness. We're talking brightness levels that is going to let you view content perfectly clear, even under harsh direct sunlight. So there's no more squinting or struggling with glare when you're using your phone outdoors. Now you combine that with the buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and everything you do on the phone, from gaming to scrolling through your feed, it's just going to look and feel incredibly fluid. Now, before we talk about the camera, we have to talk about design. The V30 5G is available in two colors, Noble Black and the color that I have, which is Waving Aqua. The Waving Aqua has got this incredible water ripple pattern that was created using a magnetic process for a shimmering effect that is going to turn heads and is going to catch everybody's eye. Both variants feature glass backs and an aluminium frame, so it looks and feels ultra premium. Now, you also get an IP54 water and dust resistance rating, which is not quite waterproof, but it is enough protection against accidental splashes and spills. Making it even more incredible is the fact that the V30 5G is just 7.45 millimeters thin, making it Vivo's slimmest phone yet, while somehow packing a massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which to me is just insane battery capacity in such a slim design. Now, the cameras. With the V30 5G, Vivo has truly brought their A game on the imaging front. There's a versatile triple camera setup on the rear, a 50 megapixel OIS main shooter, a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The main 50 megapixel camera features a massive 1/1.55 inch sensor size, and as you know, bigger sensors mean big individual pixels for better light gathering capabilities and better image quality, especially in low light, and you'll get to see that in just a moment. Combine that flagship size sensor with OIS and Vivo's computational photography smarts, and you're getting incredibly sharp, low noise shots in just about any lighting condition. The 50 megapixel ultra wide camera also gives you an insane 119 degree field of view. So you'll be able to capture sweeping landscapes or fit everyone, all your friends and family, into the frame for a group shot. Thankfully, it also has autofocus, so you don't have to worry about things looking soft or blurry towards the edges. With such high megapixel counts on the main and ultra-wide cameras, you're going to be able to capture tons of resolution and detail. So when you're cropping in or reframing your shots, there's going to be minimal quality loss when you're editing in post. Now, it's not just the hardware that's impressive, it's also the camera software, which has tons of useful shooting modes. We're talking things like advanced night mode. There's an astrophotography mode for capturing detailed shots of the night sky, a macro mode for super close shots, high-res mode that can output massive 200 megapixel images, and so much more. There's modes for just about any and every shooting scenario. You've also got extras like dual view video that captures from both the front and the rear cameras simultaneously in a split view. You can get slow motion at up to 960 frames per second for buttery smooth slow-mo playback. And there's also a time-lapse mode for condensing long periods of time into short videos, as well as an intelligent tracking autofocus to keep fast-moving subjects in focus. On the video side, you're able to capture up to 4K 60 frames per second from the rear cameras and 4K 30 frames per second from the front. Everything is encoded in a high-efficiency format, which gives you smaller file sizes without sacrificing quality, and that I think is incredible. You've also got tons of creative video tools like the Vlog Movie Creator with dynamic effects and templates, which makes creating content so much easier. What you're looking at now is some video footage taken from the V30 5G. And this is what night mode looks like on the V30 5G. As you can see, it is incredible with that flagship-like camera setup. But what really makes the V30 5G camera system stand apart from the competition is the unbelievable Aura Light Portrait feature. Now, this is a light emitting area that is 19 times larger and 50 times softer than a standard LED flash. And it bathes your subject in this gorgeous diffuse light, which nails the perfect exposure every single time. The Aura Light also has some incredible features like distance sensitive lighting, which can automatically adjust brightness based on your subject's distance. There's a smart color temperature adjustment, which can analyze the lighting environment and then match the color temperatures for super natural looking skin tones. And on the video side, you've got Aura Light Portrait Video, which gives you the same beautiful lighting quality. So basically, it's like having a portable pro photography lighting setup in your pocket. And it's going to make your portrait photography, even in dim environments, an absolute breeze. Now, we need to talk about charging and battery life, because the V30 5G, this is a marathon runner. That massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery is going to easily get you through a day or two on a single charge, depending on usage. But when you do need to top up, you've got support for incredibly fast 80-watt flash charge. So we're talking about a 0 to 100% in just 48 minutes. So you can basically recharge the equivalent of an entire day's battery life in under your lunch break. It's a total game changer. Now, software-wise, you're getting Android 14 running Vivo's cleanly designed, user-friendly, and incredibly customizable FunTouch OS 14 skin. And to show that Vivo truly believes in this device, as they should, they're backing this with crazy consumer-friendly offers. So if you order your V30 5G before June the 6th, you get 1 year free screen replacements. After that, still 180 days free for any cracks or damage. Plus, there's a 4-year battery warranty replacement if your capacity drops below 80%. At the end of the day, the V30 5G ticks all the boxes. If you're pumped to upgrade your mobile game with the Vivo V30 5G, smash that subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode.